The graph at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves, and at the time of this recording we are now losing a horizontal line of support above the 0.06076, flipping that key area back into resistance, and that is after forming a bearish pattern, which is this wedge over here, which is a continuation pattern of this breakdown move that we have been seeing in the past few days. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next target areas that you need to pay attention to, the key areas of supports that you need to continue holding above, and the key areas of resistances that we need to break for us to consider that we are back into bull market mode. So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that I have been focusing on this pattern, which is a wedge here on the 4-hour chart, which is a continuation pattern to the downside of this breakdown move. And you can see that we have more than 3 touch points. In the key area of support that we have been holding above was above the 0.06076, an area that we have now lost, flipping it back into resistance. And there's a very high chance that in the next coming hours we can easily get a retest of that key area of support, and the moment that plays out, then I will expect further breakdown moves into the low we made down here on the 22nd of October below the 0.05489, which is a very significant low. And as long as you continue holding above that significant low, there's a very high chance of a bounce. But the moment we lose that significant low over here, flipping it back into resistance also, I will expect further breakdown moves in the next coming days, expecting that the graph can easily fill in this wick that we left over here on the 10th of October after that massive liquidation event. And the moment we fill in that wick, then we can expect our bounce. But if BTC continues to see further breakdown moves, then there's a very high chance that this chart over here is going to give us a fill of this wick, and maybe at some point continue breaking down to new bear market lows, and also give us a reset of the lows we made back in 2022 in December in the next coming weeks. Alternatively, in case we get a bounce, I need to see a substantial break above the 0.13158 with a retest for me to consider that the market is now bouncing, and in the next coming days we can get back into bull mode, expecting a reset of the highs we made above the 0.35 in December 2024 in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I expect here on the GRT chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date